a little bit full, so it's tight. And then we hit the button. 1 cup.
We're waiting for the steam knob or the steam function to be heated. There you go.
It's ready. I'm no pro.
I got this Neretva, yes. And anyway, it's an espresso machine that comes with instructions, and this thing's called a doser, which I don't know what that's for, but I will find out. It comes with a cup, tamper, and a small cup, and I have the big one in here. It also has the feature of, it tells you how hot your water is, and on the side is your steamer, like most. There you go. See, there's the knob, and right here is the nozzle. And we'll go ahead and come over here to the side here. So you can see, we're going to press this. Starts immediately. And it also tells you how many seconds it's, or something. I don't really know what that's for. It's a nice little head on the coffee. Nice froth. And I don't know if this is how long it's making it for. I don't really know why that's going off. I'll have to read about that and say more later on my review. Anyway, that's how much it makes in this size cup. Makes it fast, it's easy to use, and it seems like, and it suctions down, boy, you can't. So when you take this off, it is easy, it doesn't slide all over, so that part is real nice.
I bought the tomahawk